teriyaki shrimp. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon 7 grams cornstarch, 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters room temperature water, 1/4 cup 50 grams brown sugar, 2 tablespoons 42 grams honey, 1/2 cup 120 milliliters soy sauce, 1/4 cup 60 milliliters vinegar. Either rice wine or apple cider is great. 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons minced fresh ginger. I use 2. 1½ pound medium large uncooked shrimp, peeled deveined. 1. 2 teaspoons sesame oil or olive oil. 2 to 3 cups snap peas or any stir-fry veggie. Optional sesame seeds for garnish. Get ingredients powered by chicory. Directions: make the sauce. Whisk cornstarch and water together in a small bowl. It will be a milky liquid. This is for thickening the sauce. Combine the cornstarch mixture, brown sugar, honey, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and ginger together in a small saucepan over low heat. Allow to simmer while whisking occasionally. Bring to a boil and allow to boil for 1 minute, then remove from heat. Place shrimp into a heat-proof bowl, then pour half of the sauce on top. Give it a stir and set aside for 10 minutes, uncovered at room temperature. If cooking later on, you can marinate the shrimp for up to a day. Keep it covered and refrigerate. I usually begin cooking rice to have on the side at this point, but that's optional. Heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the snap peas, then stir and cook until crisp tender, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the shrimp, then the remaining half of the teriyaki sauce. Stir and cook until shrimp is pink and cooked through, about 2 to 3 minutes. Serve with rice and a sprinkle of sesame seeds if desired. Leftovers keep well in the refrigerator for a few days.